Top 10 Smallest Animals in the World. Though tiny in size, these little creatures make a big impression. Welcome to XCami channel, and today we'll be counting down our picks for the top 10 smallest animals in the world. For this list, we're looking at some of the most impressively tiny animals our wild and wonderful world has to offer. For the sake of diversity, we'll be looking at the smallest examples of animals from a wide variety of species, and ranking them based on the impression that their small stature makes when compared to their peers. Let's begin to start. 1. Miniature horses are horses defined by their small height. They can be found in many nations, particularly in Europe and the Americas, and are the result of centuries of selective breeding. Depending on the particular breed registry involved, the height of these horses is usually less than 34 to 38 inches, 86 to 97 centimeters, tall at the withers. While miniature horses fit a height-based definition to be considered a very small pony, many retain the physical appearance of the full-sized horse and are thus considered horses by their respective registries. They have various colors and coat patterns. Miniature horses are generally bred to be friendly and to interact well with people. 2. Pygmy marmosets are two species of small New World monkeys in the genus Cebuella. They are native to rainforests of the western Amazon basin in South America. These primates are notable for being the smallest monkeys in the world, at just over 100 grams, 3.5 ounces. They are generally found in evergreen and river-edge forests and are gum-feeding specialists, or gumivores. About 83% of the pygmy marmoset population lives in stable troops of 2 to 9 individuals, including a dominant male, a breeding female, and up to 4 successive litters of offspring. The modal size of a standard stable troop would be 6 individuals. 3. Although most groups consist of family members, some may also include 1 or 2 additional adult members. 3. Brookesia is a genus of chameleons, endemic to Madagascar, that range from small to very small in size, and are known collectively as leaf chameleons, though this name also commonly is used for species in the genera Rhiapoleon and Rampolyon. Brookesia includes species considered to be the world's smallest chameleons, and are also among the smallest reptiles. Members of the genus Brookesia are largely brown and most are essentially terrestrial. A significant percentage of the species in the genus were only identified to science within the last 3 decades, and a number of species that still have not received a scientific name are known to exist. Most inhabit very small ranges in areas that are difficult to access, and due to their small size and secretive nature, they have been relatively poorly studied compared to their larger relatives. 4. The pygmy jerboa is a small rodent that is native to the deserts of Asia. They have long hind legs and a short tail, which gives them a hopping gait. They are nocturnal and burrow underground to avoid the heat during the day. They are herbivorous and eat seeds, leaves, and small insects. They typically live for 2 to 3 years in the wild. They have a small body size, typically around 3 to 4 centimeters in length and 2 to 3 centimeters in height. They are considered as a least concerned species by UCAN. In addition to their physical characteristics, pygmy jerboas are also known for their exceptional jumping abilities. They have elongated hind legs and large hind feet, which allow them to jump up to 18 times their body length in a single leap. This enables them to quickly escape predators and navigate the desert terrain. Their fur color can vary from light brown to dark gray, and they have 5. The speckled Cape tortoise, also known as the speckled tortoise or the speckled padloper, is the smallest tortoise species in the world. In the wild, members of this species can be found in areas of Little Namaqualand, Namibia, and western South Africa. These species are endangered and uncommon in captivity. Speckled Cape tortoise facts and information family, Testudinity genus, Chersoebius size, 2.4 to 3.9 in, 6 to 10 centimeters, color, goldish beige with black spots and outlines on shell. Binomial name, Chersobius signatus, Homopus signatus. Other names, speckled padloper, speckled cape. The binomial name of the speckled Cape tortoise is Chersobius signatus.